OPTX stock analysis and OPTX stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. With Syntec Optics Holdings, it is sitting at 28% up. All I'm going to do is just zoom out and kind of show you where we currently are. We're removing all the previous drawings here because it's just not relevant anymore. And also it's dark drawings. This is dark background as well. You cannot see it. Well, Context have made more videos than anyone else in this space. Now, I'm saying this with a lot of confidence. That's because I do have the proof to back all of it up. I have 39,000 videos. Currently, it's in a bearish range, so mark down the lows. Okay, this is where we are. Only if IC breaks above 155 am I actually going to begin to hopefully then take things up, right? But other than that, man, this is just one heck of a bearish market. It's a supply zone, so I'm making this like a no man's land, right? And in no man's land, if there is no double break, then I'm just not going to take things down. So that's how OPTX is actually looking like. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.